Al-Fatiha means something that starts or opens, an inauguration. So it is the start of the Quran. And it's also known as Quran, meaning the mother of Quran. And it is the first complete surah of the Quran which was revealed. Before this surah, there were ayat of Surah Al-Mudassir, Surah Al-Alaq and Surah Al-Muzammil which were revealed, but the full surah which came, the very first one, is Al-Fatiha. And there is a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ in Sahih Muslim in which he says that if anyone observes prayer in which he does not recite Quran, which is Surah Al-Fatiha, it is deficient. He said that, and he said it again twice. It is deficient, and not complete. And that is the reason why we have to recite it in every rak'ah of the prayer.